There are many router machine products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best router machines from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Loney CNC Machine. Rating 4.4. The 500W spindle is a robust and versatile component design. Its high power output enables it to deliver consistent performance, even when cutting through dense materials like aluminum and copper. This powerful spindle ensures that your machine can tackle even the most demanding projects while maintaining precision and efficiency. The maximum movement speed is 5,000 millimeters per minute. All-metal construction has durability, stability, and reliability. By using reinforced aluminum profiles, the machine frame can withstand heavy loads and resist wear and tear over time. Furthermore, no plastic parts, except for electrical components, are required to ensure the frame maintains its structural integrity even in harsh operating conditions. Number 4. Skill RT1323 Machine. Rating 4.5. Equipped with above-the-table adjustment, integrated bit storage, aluminum mic gauge slot, router clamp, starter pin, and 2 featherboards for precise routing. SKL 10 amp fixed base router, powerful 10 amp, 2.0 HP motor provides smooth and accurate routing from start to finish, equipped with soft start, speed control, and a live tool indicator. Tall fence with adjustable featherboards. A tall 16-inch aluminum fence measures 24 inches wide and handles tall stock with ease, complemented by 2 featherboards, adjustable MDF face plates, and starter pin and guard. Precision routing. Use the router table for the heavy routing and the fixed base router to complete the task. Number 3. Ratmotor Router Machine. Rating 4.8. This is a 220V 2.2 kW air-cooled 6A spindle motor that comes with an ER20 nut and collet. Frequency is 400 AZ, precision tapered bore is less than 0.005 millimeters, and runout off is less than 0.01 millimeters. It is a high-speed spindle motor. The spindle speed must not be lower than 9,000 RPM during the use of the spindle. Including overload protection, fuse broken motor stops protection, overvoltage/low voltage protection, restarted by frequency track after instantaneous stop, anti-stall during acceleration/deceleration operation, and electronic circuit protection. And many other protection functions such as overheat protection, restriction of reverse running, direct start after power on, fault reset, parameter lock PID, OneDrive more, etc. Number 2. Fox Alien Mazoter Router Machine. Rating 4.8. The Master 3S is equipped with NEMA 23-76 closed-loop stepper motors. They have great performance in step loss control. The torque is 2.2 Newton meters, and its moving speed is up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. The Master 3S uses 23 by 60 millimeters extrusions that ensure stability during carving. The Z-axis uses dual HG15 linear rails and T12 lead screws, which effectively reduce wobble and enhance the engraving accuracy to 0.05 millimeters. It comes with a 400-watt spindle, which is capable of engraving and cutting soft metal such as aluminum. An extra spindle clamp, 65 millimeters, is included in the package for trimmer router upgrade. The newly designed controller box is easy to use and maintain. There are several shortcut buttons for fast operation. It is dust-proof and easy to clean. Number 1. CNC Router Machine. Rating 5.0. An Loney CNC Router 4030 Evo Ultra features firmware GRBL 1.3A for the first time in the market and is fully backward compatible with GRBL, support Wi-Fi control, custom macro button. The 4th axis M07/M08 command, upgraded closed-loop stepper motor, etc. Each axis of NLEX 4030 Evo Ultra uses an industrial-grade HG, 15 dual linear guide, and 12mm ball screw, which greatly improves the accuracy, rigidity, and efficiency of metal cutting. CNC 4030 Evo Ultra uses a 32-bit MCU and includes a built-in browser-based web UI, ESP32_web UI, so you control the machine from a PC, phone, or tablet on the same Wi-Fi network via browser without needing any other programs and cannot be used at the same time. You can also use a USB connection. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.